Hey everyone, this is Nilesh, and in this live video, I am going to talk about affiliate funnels. So, how affiliate funnel is look like, and how you can sell your product with the help of affiliate funnel. Uh, Affiliate is like you sell someone else's product, and with that to sell someone else's product, first you know about the product. First you personally know how the what the product is all about, and how it helps someone else's business, how it helps in someone else's life. So to sell someone else's product, first we need to create an irresistible offer or something offer that is related to our main product. So for that, you can create a affiliate funnel. So in that affiliate funnel, you will give knowledge to your audiences. First, you educate to your people, to your audiences, and uh, while they consuming your content, while they consuming your knowledge, while they collecting all those information from you, they trust you, they know you, and with that, in future you will send them your send them to your affiliate product. You will try to share with them your affiliate product. So let's without wasting more time, let's jump to my laptop screen. So I will share with you how the affiliate funnel will be work. So if you see, there is the opt-in page where if a person is new, then first he need to enter his name. First he need to create his account. Only once he create his account, then he able to this he has reach out to this page where he just need to put his email address or password. And once he give his email address or password, then he will be entered into the membership area, right? So if you see, there is it is a free membership area that I will build inside ClickFunnels. So where I add all those summary of the one funnel away challenge. In this membership area, I add the summary of the one funnel away challenge, right? And if you see, once a person is entered, then he see there is a logo, and I just give them to go and sign up for OFA challenge. I give them on a header, or first I give them knowledge. Here you see, first they learn about this one funnel away challenge summary. Then I will, on the day 9, in the day 9 OFA, Russell Brunson will give them to get access for the ClickFunnels 14 days trial. So I add the ClickFunnels 14 days trial affiliate link. Then I will give them the one funnel away challenge affiliate link. They consuming my content, they grabbing the information that I will share. First I share the information, and then here they I will drive them to the offer. I will drive them to the next page. It is my affiliate link. So you can do the same to sell your affiliate product. You can sell any you if you sell any affiliate product, if you sell any product, first you need to educate your people. First you need to give the information about the product to your audiences. Only then people will trust you and they buy from you. So if you see, I will give them this membership, access this membership funnel. If a person buy OFA one funnel away challenge through me, I will give them this exact template of the funnel. I will share this exact template, so they also build their membership site. They it is not necessary that they build the OFA summary, but this concept is the same, right? So they don't need to be do it from scratch. I done my work. and I share it with you, so you easily access. Here I share the information, then the next is I will pitch them to 14 days trial. So it is a full course, one funnel which challenge, click funnel 14 days. Then if again I share, so on the day number 24th or I think 25th, Russell Brunson will pitch two comma club. Yeah. So here you see, I will share them the, I will drive them to the two comma club. So on the day 25, I will give the information about the two comma value ladder, and at the end, Russell will pitch two comma club to the next challenge of after one funnel away challenge. So the next program, it is basically done in the 3 months. So it is the night, now it is over. It is come again after 3 months. So I will drive them to the two comma club, right? So on the two comma club, it is like my next affiliate product. First he consumed the content, first he learned all those things, then I will drive them that yeah, here is the link for the two comma club, here is the link for the 14 days free ClickFunnels trial. So first they consume my knowledge, first they getting the information, and then I will drive them to the next product of my, that is my affiliate link. That is my affiliate now product. That is my, you can say, upsell. We the people who are visited this membership, they are come here for free. It is our front end. I teach everything in the one funnel away challenge, or we are also learn in the .com secret series. So from Monday I will again continue with .com secret. So we learn the same thing, that people come for bet. I think last video about the .com, uh, yeah, people come for free, what kind of bed you use and all those things, right? So people come for free, and then we give find out qualify buyers, qualify subscribers, qualify hyperactive buyers, all those things are happen at inside the membership area, inside the funnels. We drive people for free, we drive for front end for free, then all those things are happened in the back end. It is called upselling. All those things are happened at the upsell. So you can also build like this funnel. First you can build any course of yours or anything that is related to your byproduct or your main product, and then once people or once your audiences will be understand the thing, understand the concept, they learn the no, they grab your knowledge, they connect with get all your information, and then you easily able to speech your and they easily able to convert. So you can do the same thing for your affiliate funnel, you can do the same thing, right? So that is it, and hope you understand this concept all about the how affiliate funnel will be work, how affiliate funnel is work. First you in any business, not in affiliate, in any business you invite for free, then you are upselling your OTO1, OTO2, order bump, or all those things are happen at the back end. So you can also do it with your product or anything. If you are affiliate, so you can do the same thing. And if you also want to join Fun Funnel Lava Challenge, then let me know. You can directly reach out to me. And yeah, so if you are watching it live, so please put hashtag live, and watching it replay, so please put hashtag replay. And also, if you are watching it on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for joining me here. Thanks a lot. And stay tuned with me.